किं ततः किं ततः किं विदेशेषु मान्या स्वदेशेषु धन्या सदाचारवृत्तेषु मत्तो न चान्या मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं क्षमामण्डले भूपभूपालवृन्दे सदा सेवितं यस्य पादारविन्दं मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं यशो मे गतं देक्षु दानप्रताप जगद्वस्तु सर्वं करे सत्प्रसादात् मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं न भोगेन योगेन वा वाजिराजो न कान्ता सुखेनैव वित्तेषु चित्तं मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम् अरण्येन वा स्वस्य गेहेन कार्ये न देहे मनो वर्तते मे त्वनर्गे मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं गुरोरष्टकं यः पठेत् पुण्यदेहि यतिर्भूपतिर्ब्रह्मचारी च गेहि लभेत्वाञ्छितार्थं पदं ब्रह्म संगं गुरोरुक्तवाक्ये मनोव्यस्य लग्नं गुरोरुक्तवाक्ये मनोव्यस्य लग्नं गुरोरुक्तवाक्ये मनोव्यस्य लग्नम्.
Thank you so much. Now we are continuing with Narayana, Sriman Narayana, Tripadame Charanu. So, Rama, Krishna, and Narayana all are same. Their feet are experience. So, here we are having one little girl who will be saying Sri Rama Rama Rameti. Sri Rama Rama Rameti.
Sri Ram Ram Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sri Samastagama Kasturyam Rama Nama Manarame Sri Rama Rama Rama.
So we consider Rama, Krishna and Narayana all are same. Their feet are our eternal. Now here we are here with our performers Kumari Soundarya, Kumari Gayatri and baby Sai Arna Shankari. Song.
नमो नमो नारायणते 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 नमो नमो भवनारद नमो नमो भवनारद सन्नुत नमो नमो भवनारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो भवनारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो नगधर मुकुंद माधव मुरहर नगधर मुकुंद माधव मुरहर नगधर मुकुंद माधव गरुड़ गमन पंकजनाभा गरुड़ गमन पंकजनाभा नगधर मुकुंद माधव गरुड़ गमन पंकजनाभा परम पुरुष भवभंजन ते नमो परम पुरुष भवभंजन ते नमो नरहर शरीर नमो 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 नरहर शरीर नमो नमो परम पुरुष भवभंजन ते परम पुरुष भवभञ्जनते नमो परम पुरुष भवभञ्जनते नमो नरहर शरीर नमो 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 नरहर शरीर नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो भवनारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो आदिदेव सकलागम पूजित आदिदेव सकलागम पूजित आदिदेव सकलागम पूजित यादव कुल मोहन रूपा यादव कुल मोहन रूपा देव सकलागम पूजित यादव कुल मोहन रूपा वेदोधर तिरुवेंकटनायक वेदोधर तिरुवेंकटनायक नाद प्रिय दे नमो नमो वेदोधर तिरुवेंकटनायक नाद प्रिय दे नमो 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 नाद प्रिय दे नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो भवनारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो भवनारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो नमो
Hello, Lakshmi madam.
Ma'am.
Hello,
Yes,
Lakshmi
ma'am.
madam.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Natya School of Kuchipudi. Let them introduce themselves, madam.
Yes, ma'am. Sure,
Hello.
ma'am. Yes,
Their
ma'am.
names, please.
Yeah, you can take another 5 minutes, ma'am.
Introduce yourself.
Lakshmi ji, are you through or you want more time? 5 minutes, we can give you more.
Yes, sir. We do have another item. Can we
Yeah.
perform, please?
Yeah, quickly, I think I'll take Nitya's permission for another 5 minutes, ma'am. Nitya, begin, ma'am. You can go ahead.
Thank
got
you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. After that, I'll let them introduce themselves. Thank
1
you.
minute,
Yes.
short, and I welcome our guest today, Narasimha sir. In 5 minutes, we are starting our sir.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. No, no, our guest is also have come. Sir, we are
Oh.
starting in 5 minutes. Okay. Right.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You
Thank
can
you
go
so
ahead.
much.
You can go ahead.
Thank you, sir. So now, here our students are performing Madhurastikam on Lord Sri Krishna.
अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनो मधुरं हसितं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं मधुरादिपदेरखिलं मधुरं अदरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गानं मधुरं मधुरादिपदेरखिलं मधुरं वेणुर्मधुरो रेणुर्मधुरा पाणिर्मधुरा पादौ मधुरं श्रेयं मधुरं साख्यं मधुरं मधुरादिपदेरखिलं मधुरं कीर्तनरदि उदरदीप्ततनदिरना नादृदि तनदिरनदि तननदि उदनदीप्ततनदिरना नादृदि तनदिरनदि तननदि उदनदीप्ततनदिरना नादृदि तनदिरनदि तननदि उदनदीप्ततनदिरना नादृदि तनदिरनदि तननदि उदनदीप्ततनदिरना नादृदि तनदिरनलेत्यं मधुरं लेत्यं मधुरं साख्यं मधुरं मधुरादिपदेरखिलं मधुरं गीतननदि उदनदीप्ततनदिरना नादृदि तनदिरनदि तननदि उदनदीप्ततनदिरना नादृदि तनदिरनदि तननदि उदनदीप्ततनदिरना नादृदि तनदिरनलेत्यं मधुरं लेत्यं मधुरं साख्यं मधुरं मधुरादिपदेरखिलं मधुरं गीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं भूतं मधुरं सूक्तं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं विरगं मधुरं मधुरादिपदेरखिलं मधुरं वेणुर्मधुरो रेणुर्मधुरा पाणिर्मधुरौ पादौ मधुरा श्रेयं मधुरं साख्यं मधुरं मधुरादिपदेरखिलं मधुरं कुञ्जा मधुरा माला मधुरा यमुना मधुरा वीथि मधुरा सलिलं मधुरं कमलं मधुरं मधुरादिपदेरखिलं मधुरं वेणुर्मधुरो रेणुर्मधुरा पाणिर्मधुरा पादौ मधुरा श्रेयं मधुरं साख्यं मधुरं मधुरादिपदेरखिलं मधुरं गीतननदि उदनदीप्ततनदिरना नादृदि तनदिरनदि तननदि उदनदीप्ततनदिरना नादृदि तनदिरनदि तननदि उदनदीप्ततनदिरना नादृदि तनदिरनदि तननदि उदनदीप्ततनदिरना नादृदि तनदिरनदि तननदि उदनदीप्ततनदिरना नादृदि तनदिरनलेत्यं मधुरं लेत्यं मधुरं साख्यं मधुरं मधुरादिपदेरखिलं मधुरं मधुरादिपदेरखिलं मधुरं मधुरादिपदेरखिलं मधुरं मधुरादिपदेरखिलं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरं अखिलं मधुरं अखिलं मधुरं अखिलं मधुरं अखिलं मधुरं अखिलं मधुरं
Thank you, madam.
Thank you
Introduce
so
them.
much,
Can you
ma'am. Thank
introduce?
you for giving this opportunity.
Introduce them, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am.
Namaskaram. Namaskaram. I'm Lahari Priya from Natya School of Kuchipudi. My guru Srimati Sri Lakshmi Shankari.
Thank you.
Namaskaram. I'm Soundarya. I'm from Natya School of Kuchipudi. My guru name is Sri Lakshmi Shankari. Namaskaram. Myself Gayatri. I'm from Natya School of Kuchipudi. My guru name is Srimati Sri Lakshmi Shankari.
Namaskaram. My name is Sayarna. I am from Natya School of Kuchipudi. My guru name is Srimati Sri Lakshmi Shankari.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hello.
Thank you for
Lakshmi
giving
madam.
this opportunity.
Lakshmi
Yes, ma'am.
madam. Okay.
Ma'am, yes,
You got a
ma'am.
good disciples, madam. You got a good
Thank you so
disciples.
much.
Good baba, good footwork, good abhinaya. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Lakshmi
Chala
madam.
baga
Thank you,
undi.
ma'am.
Chusedani.
Lakshmi madam,
Okay.
it's a good performance. In fact, we have no time further to listen. In fact, I think we look and praise Sriman Narayan for many such opportunities. Very soon, maybe in Chennai also. Good wishes to all the artists. Let us praise Sriman Narayan and be with us for some time if you are on the line. Be with us for around 10-15 minutes to listen to our Guruji and very interesting program from Hong Kong. Okay. Once again, wish you
Yes.
very happy New Year. Thank you very much, ma. Over to you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you,
Thank
madam.
you, ma'am.
With 5 minutes delay, can we start the leader of Hong Kong, Nitya madam, are you here?
Yes, sir. We are here.
Yeah, we regret for the delay due to some network problem. They have to start late.
Okay.
Regret for that. No. Okay. Now you can take the platform since you are the owner of Hong Kong Vishwas group. So you have to start introducing the program with you for another 3 hours. Our guest and our Guruji advisor, Sri K.T. Narasimhan is also here. Okay, over to you, ma. Thank you. Om Namo Venkatesaya.
Okay, sir. Om Namo Venkatesaya. Welcome, everyone. This is Hong Kong, Vishwas Hong Kong Day. We are here to pray Sriman Narayanan and chant his bhajans and chant Vishnu Sahasranamam. So, hope we all can pray him. So, I invite Mr. T. Sridharan, sir, founder of Vishwas, to share a few words.
Can we do the prayer first, ma?
Sure, sir. We'll start.
Yeah.
Ishvara Vacha Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varanane Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varanane Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varanane Shri Rama Nama Varanana Om Namaiti.
Thank you, Ananya. Sir, நீங்க பேச முடியுமா?
No problem, ma. Thank you. Om Namo Venkatesaya. Thank you all and Sriman Narayanan for the opportunity. I also welcome all of you and our Guruji, Sri K.T. Narasimhan. My Guruji also. For us, I am from Jeevan Bhima Nagar in Chennai. I belong to basic that Mandali Satsang. He only taught me Sahasranam today. So his teaching and everything, you all know the power of Vishnu Sahasranam, but to this level. So I welcome you, sir. I will take only 2-3 minutes to talk a few words about this festival and then give it to you, sir. Okay. This day in the December, during this time, we normally have our anniversary of the parent organization, Chennai Group of Vishnu Sahasranam Mandalis, started about 14-15 years back. So this week rather, it is anniversary of Chennai Group of Vishnu Sahasranam Mandalis 14th anniversary and Vishwa Vishnu Sahasranam Samsthan 12th year and Vishwas Institute of Vishnu Sahasranam 4th year and Vishwas Youth Association Vyas 3 years. It has become a big group. The entire growth, everything we have been telling. This is the power of Vishnu Sahasranam. We only did this efforts with his blessings only. So every year we normally do it in the month of Dhanurmasa, 4 days in T Nagar, the biggest Kalyana Mandapam in T Nagar, involving 3,000, 4,000 people all over India. But this year we could not do because of the COVID restriction, but still Sriman Narayana has blessed us to do this small function with 200 people on the Vaikuntha Ekadasi also last day of that. This Saptaha program, 7 days, Vishnu Sahasranama, International Vishnu Sahasranama Mahotsav, is organized just to thank Sriman Narayanan for the opportunity given to Vishwas Global Team, in which Hong Kong is also part of that. Where it is involved about 13 countries, 250 satsang all over the world, and about 6,000 devotees are participating in this marathon Mahotsav. Yesterday we started in US, morning, evening Singapore. This morning we had in Australia, and now in Hong Kong. Like that, we have another 4 days program. And before I go to the other subject, I want all of you to watch our program, the same link, morning 6:30 to 7. Some spiritual leaders from Tirupala Devasthanam, ISKCON, and Chinmaya, like that, they are participating. Tomorrow is somebody is coming from ISKCON Bangalore to give speech on the power of Vishnu Sahasranamam. And at 7:30 to 8 o'clock, Madhusudana Swami is giving Upanyasam on Markadi Andal Tirupavai, and its meaning also is covering in the 6 days time to complete that. And another highlight importance of this 7-day program, we have already given the brochure in the group. Last day, 25th day, Vaikuntha Ekadasi, we have that morning same usual. Daily we have 3:15 to 4 o'clock Tirupavai and Subravadam, followed by usually on country program. On that day also we have up to 7:30, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock on 25th, we have that conference, international conference on power of Vishnu Sahasranamam, paper presentation by 10, 11, 12 students in India. And the subject of paper is power of Vishnu Sahasranamam for career development, personality development, health, wealth, and many other interesting subjects. And we want all of you to understand the importance of it. We all know Sahasranamam, we chant, we know the importance, that's why we are doing it. But let us go into the more depth about which Guruji also might talk on the subject. So I want everybody to involve in this. And now, so far in the last 1 year, Vishwas has completed about 134 batches, out of which 40 batches are from abroad. And 134 means 100 satsang is also formed. One big advantage to Vishwas, after the completion of the batch in 20 days, we make a satsang. That is a byproduct of the institute. Now it is one of the biggest pillars in the world with 150 satsang abroad and 100 in India, 250 satsang, one of the largest NGO in the world, appreciated by these organizations like TTD, ISKCON, and Chinmaya Group, and almost all the spiritual the organizations are doing that. My request would be to Nitya Madam. Initially, about 7-8 months back, she took trouble of starting one batch with the support of Priya and Kirtika and many more people, Savita in Hong Kong. And after that, the satsang is functioning every fortnight on the Ekadasi as well as Saravana Nakshatram. This is one thing. Now our new batch is starting on 4th of January. Yeah, the same link, you can get the link again, you can pass it on to your friends, relatives everywhere in the world. As nowadays, we are equipped to take about 20 classes daily with about 6-7 classes abroad with the time zone for US and Canada and almost all the country. Sriman Narayan has given the strength to Vishwas to do that. And about 14 or 15 batches in India, covering all the languages like Telugu, Tamil, Kannadam, and Malayalam, also in Hindi. We are proud to say that we are able to cover almost all the nations, all the region, everything. So now, before I give back to you, Vidya, I want everybody to watch the program in another 3-4 days time also in the month of Margazhi, but sitting in the house. We are inviting Sriman Narayana or Lord Krishna and take advantage of it. We have a variety of programs today arranged by the leader of Hong Kong, Madam Nitya. With this, I want to wish all of you a very happy 2021. Though in another 10 days, we are going to have the new year. We always pray Sriman Narayanan for a COVID-free universe. And our prayer continuously, like this daily, yesterday about 1,000 people participated. Today, more than 1,500 people are participating like that. Another 4 or 5 days, maybe we'll be completing some crores of namas in the Saptaha program. So we are sure of the COVID-free universe in the coming year. And this time, we are hopeful of meeting all of you in India, either in the month of May in Tirumala or in December, whatever the wishes of Sriman Narayanan. But our continuous prayer will definitely yield whatever we need. Thank you very much. Om Namo Venkatesaya. Over to Kritika Ma. Kritika, please. Nitya.
Thank you, sir. I invite our Guruji KT Narashiman sir, advisor to Vishwas. He is also retired superintendent Archaeological Survey of India. He has done lots of researches in all monuments of India. So we invite him here to speak few words about the power of Vishnu Sahasranamam. Sir,
Sir,
please.
Sir, welcome. Namaskaram. Sir, before you come on the line, I want to introduce our Vishwas team. Vishwas Global is headed, Hong Kong headed by Nitya Madam. Our Sivaramakrishnan is here. And who are all other Devi Veramani, you can get introduced, ma'am. Yeah, anybody from Vishwas India is here? Yeah, of course. Sarvani from Hyderabad is also one of the volunteer in the global thing. Sivaramakrishnan, where are they, sir? Okay.
Sir,
Fine.
Saranya, sir.
Saranya, you are the biggest builder, ma, especially for the Asia Pacific. Sorry, I have not seen you, ma. Okay. Good, sir. She is handling about 7 countries. Saranya in Chennai, the biggest asset for Vishwas global team. Today, we are proud of it because of the entire team, global team. Sir, now over to you, sir, please. Sir. Thank you very much. Sir, mute again, sir.
Saranya is there, sir. Yeah.
Saranya introduce but sir, mute again, sir.
கொஞ்சம் அன்மியூட் பண்ணணும் சார். நரசிம்மன் சார்.
சார் சார் மியூட்ல இருக்கு.
ஹலோ நரசிம்மன் சார். நரசிம்மன் சார் கேட்கல நீங்க பேசுறது. நீங்க மியூட்ல இருக்கு மைக் ஆன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
I think somebody has muted. I think he's coming on the line again, Nitya.
Okay, sir.
He's just joining.
Okay, he'll join online now, right?
He's coming again. I think he was telling somebody has muted like that, maybe. Otherwise, you got any other thing next agenda? He'll be joining anytime. Just wait for a minute.
Okay, we can wait for a minute, sir. Because the next agenda will be Vishnu Sahasranamam chanting.
I think one more line is joined, I think now. Narasimha sir? Oh, Prabha. Yeah, he has joined Narasimha sir now. Sir, mute panningo.
Unmute pannano, sir.
Sorry. Must be his daughter only, I think so.
Sir, Narasimhan sir, please unmute yourself. We cannot hear you.
டாடி அந்த மைக்ரோஃபோனோட சிம்பலை திருப்பி டச் பண்ணு. அது அன்மியூட் ஆகும் அப்பதான்.
சாரோட பொண்ணுமா from Bombay.
Welcome, ma. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I think he is not able to figure out.
He just joining. He was telling that somebody is muting. I don't think we would. We won't do it. No. He's trying again, ma.
Okay, okay, sir. We can wait, sir, for 2 minutes. We can wait.
Yeah, he has joined. Prabha, can you get him to unmute, ma?
ஆரம்பத்துல இருந்தே மியூட்ல தான் இருக்காரு அவர். ஆமா.
அவர்
டாடி உன்னோட ஸ்கிரீன்ல அந்த ரெட் கலர் ரிசீவரோட சைன் பக்கத்துல ஒரு கேமராவோட சைன் அப்புறம் ஒரு மைக்ரோஃபோனோட சைன் இருக்கு. அந்த கேமரா வந்து ஆனா தான் இருக்கு, பட் மைக்ரோஃபோன் மியூட்ல இருக்கு. அது திருப்பி ஒரு தடவை ஜஸ்ட் டச் பண்ணு, அது இதுவாயிடும், ஆக்டிவ் ஆயிடும்.
Prabha?
Yes, uncle.
Can we start? I think நீங்க அப்புறம் சொல்லல அவர்ட்ட எப்படி பண்ணிட்டு வரணும்னா நான் ஒரு 15 minutes ஆச்சு நான் சொல்லிட்டு வரோம். முடியுமா?
அவருக்கு நான் லேண்ட்லைன்ல ஃபோன் பண்ணி வேணா எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன். அவர்
ஒரு 10 minutes வரட்டும். We finish that next agenda என்னமா நித்யா சரசனாவ இல்லையா?
விஷ்ணு சஹஸ்ரநாமம் தான் சார். சாண்டிங் தான்.
So நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க சார். I will talk to him.
Yeah, ஒரு 25 minutes கொஞ்சம் லேட்டா வந்து let him also because குருஜி இருக்கட்டும் கேட்டுக்கிட்டோம். We started. முள்ள சொல்லிட்டு வரணும் அப்படிதான். Prabha, thank you for your help, ma.
Yeah.
Okay. Nitya, you can go with the next agenda, ma.
Okay, sir. So we'll start with Vishnu Sahasranamam. We have 3 rounds to chant.
So இப்ப அவர் அன்மியூட்ல இருக்காரு.
Sir,
வாங்க சார். வெல்கம் சார். ஹலோ. பேசுங்க, கேக்குது. பேசுங்க. பேசுங்க, கேக்குது.
நமஸ்காரம்.
Thank you, sir. Thanks. Power of Vishnu.
Thank you. உங்க டாக்டர் தான் கூப்பிடுறான்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் அவளுக்கு சொல்லி. அம்மா எடுத்துட்டோம்மா, இது சரியாயிடுது.
சொல்லுங்க சார், பேசுங்க.
நமஸ்காரம். I am very happy, but I am very poor in this technology. So
that's fine.
Kindly excuse me. See, the power of Vishnu Sahasranamam, the topic is given to me. It is most interesting topic. And as Kalidasa says, Kusurya Prabhuvam Saha Kochalpa Vishyomudihi, like that. This is a ocean. So within 20 minutes, what I can say, it is very difficult. Even then, let me express my views as much as possible. Say, in Kali Yuga, the Kalau Nama Sankirtanam, because in Kali Yuga, the best way is you cannot do yaga, you cannot do any other thing. Only you have to chant the namas, names, especially Vishnu Sahasranama. Why we have to do that? Very nicely it is described. Achyutananda Govinda Namocharana Beshajat Nashyanti Sakala Rogaha Satyam Satyam Vadamyam. 20 years before, in Dr. Sridhar's residence, we have started actually this with 8 people. I have explained the meaning of Palashruti first, not the Vishnu Sahasranama. Vishnu Sahasranama meaning I have said after 6 months. Very first day, I have started explaining every week one sloga of Palashruti. So, Achyuta, Ananta, Govinda, if you chant these 3 names, Nashyanti, what? Sagala Rogaha, all diseases disappear. Nashyanti Sagala Rogaha, Satyam Satyam Vadamiham. This is true, like that he says. So, Vishnu Sahasranamam, Parayanam, we have to do for many reasons. Especially the biggest advantage of chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, for all other pujas, there are namas. you have to do this way, you have to do that way. The desha, kala, sthiti, pravritti. Like that, there are so many conditions. Whereas for Vishnu's chanting of Vishnu Sahasranama, you need not wait for anybody. You can chant anywhere at any time. So this is the advantage of Vishnu Sahasranama. And another thing is, Vishnu Sahasranama is not only a mantra, it is a tantra also. Why? Because he himself explains, Yoga, Yoga Vidam Neta. So, yoga. What is yoga? Eugene, yoga is the root. You can keep your mind and your body in the same level when you are chanting Vishnu Sahasranama. So, by chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, we get all the 4 Purushartha Chatushtayam. That is Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. The Palashruti says, Dharmarthi prapniyat dharmam artharthi chartamapniyat kaman avapniyat kami prajarthi chapniyat prajaha. So, anybody, the most important 4 aspects are Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. What is Dharma? Veda bodhita ishta sadhanako dharmaha. Whatever said in the Veda, tani sevitavyani, no itarani, yan yasmagagum sucharitani, tani tvayopasyani. So whatever practice adopted by our ancestors, which are good, which are acceptable to everybody, that is called dharma. So if you chant Vishnu Sahasranama, automatically you are doing dharma. Artha, earning money, health and wealth, you will get by chanting Vishnu Sahasranama. Kama, your goals can be achieved. For that, the best example is our Dr. T.J. Sridharan. Because all the time he was day and night, whenever he talks only about Sahasranama. So he achieved such, like what our Hindu Dharma is compared with the banyan tree, Vatavriksha. Really now this Vishwas is a Vatavriksha. It spread all over the universe. So Vishnu Sahasranama power is immeasurable and it is very useful and practical also. In fact, we ourselves experienced it. Same our Dr. Sridharan got very severe heart attack. Nobody around him, but only Vishnu Sahasranama tape was running. After few minutes only, his sister came and helped, and then all of us went. So Vishnu Sahasranama, if you are hearing Vishnu Sahasranama also, definitely you are saved. We need not go for any other example. He himself is a best example. This we have practiced. In our colony, we are chanting without break. And unfortunately, this Corona period, we are this time also we are doing through this YouTube. But otherwise, every Saturday we are chanting last 20 years. I tell you, many people, they have got their desires fulfilled. They themselves say. So the chanting of Vishnu Sahasranama is the best way to get every benefit. That is why when Dharmaputra asked Yudhishthira asked Bhishma, Ko dharma sarvadharmanam bhavatah paramomataha. Because that was the last paksha of the Dwapara Yuga. After 15 days, Kali Yuga is going to emerge. So what kind of practice we have to do? That time, the Bhishmacharya says, Jagat Prabhum Devadevam Anantam Purushottamam. So the best way is chanting of Sri Bhagavan Nama is the best way to achieve all our goal and to practice our dharmas. And this, so many places, he himself says, the Palashruti says, Eko Vishnuho Mahatbhutam Pratakbhutan Yanekashaha Trin Lokan Vyapya Bhutatma Bhungte Vishwabhuk Avyayaha. Avyayaha means that there is no loss. That is called avyaya. No, that is why Bhagavan is called Ajaha. Na jayate iti Ajaha. He has no birth, he has no death. Aksharaha. Na kshiyate iti Aksharaha. Aksharam, Laksharam Vidyat, Asnodayadval, Alaksharam in Mahabharata, Patanjali says. So, the Namocharanam, the chanting of Bhagavan Namas in the form of Vishnu Sahasranama gives all sort of boons to us. Therefore, we should practice the Vishnu Sahasranama every time, whenever we get time. It is very, when you are going to office, you can chant. When you are taking rest, you can chant. So there is no limit, because in Bhagavad Gita, what Krishna says, Manmana bhava madhyaktaha madhyachi mam namaskuru. So always you remember him. He will help you. And he says, Abhivadana Shelasya Nityam Vruddhopasevinaha. So those who are very obedient and taking care of the other elders, Chatvaraha Sampravadante Ayuhu Vidya Yashaha Bhalam. So I will give all these 4 boons to you. Therefore, Vishnu Sahasranama, chanting of Vishnu Sahasranama is very important. It is very useful. Everybody can have their own experience by practicing this. This will, memory powers increases, and nakrodho nachamatsariyam nalopo nashubhamadihi. When bhavanti krata punyanam bhaktanam purushottame, if we regularly chant Vishnu Sahasranama, definitely you will not have krodha, you will not have any other bad qualities. Automatically you will get sattva guna. Therefore, chanting of Vishnu Sahasranama is very, very important. This is what the Vishnu Sahasranama power. Thank you.
Sir, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Sorry, but முடிஞ்ச ஒரு 5-10 நிமிஷம் இருந்து அவ சாசனம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டா பண்ணி. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Over to you.